Ever watched cats go bonkers chasing a laser pointer? Hilarious and adorable, right? Now, imagine that same chase, but it's people in the world of social media conversations who are hopping around aimlessly to figure out what these voices mean instead. Not so funny now, is it? We're talking about a whopping 510,000 comments, 350,000 posts, and 293,000 status updates every minute. Scary? Maybe. These intimidating numbers are bound to give anyone a phobia of math. But is there a cure for this potential arithmo madness? Absolutely. Hi, I'm Amy, and in this video, we'll be exploring AI-powered social listening, the advanced digital hearing aid that'll help you understand the heartbeat of your audience more deeply. But hold up, should you care about it in the first place? Yes, absolutely. You ought to consider it because in this ever-evolving digital world, it's not just about being there. It's about truly understanding what your audience is saying, feeling, and perhaps not telling you outright. Social listening is your secret weapon for staying ahead and turning deeper audience insights into marketing strategies that make an actual impact. Well, let's break it down for you. AI algorithms are the backbone of social listening tools. These clever workhorses analyze vast amounts of data across all social media platforms. They decode audience language, identify trends, and understand sentiments in a snap of the fingers by using techniques like natural language processing, machine learning, and deep learning. All right, with that covered, let's talk about a few scenarios where social listening comes in handy so you get a more practical idea. AI is your fan matchmaker when it comes to effortlessly uncovering the pulse of your community. It makes connecting with passionate fans a breeze, creating authentic interactions that resonate. Let's take Barbie, the movie, as an example. Using social listening, the Barbie team spotted a fan conversation connecting Ken's wardrobe to that of the BTS member Jimin. Seizing this opportunity, they collaborated with Ryan Gosling, who played Ken in the movie, and created a lighthearted video message. Do you know what happened next? It became their most engaged post ever. We're talking a 295% engagement rate. Yeah, you heard that right. This ripple effect shows the impact of social listening. When used for amplifying fan connections, it significantly boosts brand reach and engagement. Ever felt like you missed spotting a trend before it went viral? Well, not anymore. With AI, you can track future patterns and trends based on historical data and current conversations. Take Duolingo, the language app brand, for example. When buzz about Cillian Murphy learning Dutch for Oppenheimer spread on X, Duolingo made the most of it by engaging the hype head-on. It created a witty and humorous post about learning languages to better resonate with its audience. This just goes to show how discovering trends quickly through social listening can keep you one step ahead of the game. Imagine having a finger on the live pulse of your audience always. AI helps you do just that by capturing and delivering real-time social media insights as they happen. For instance, picture a group of people posting about a new soda pop that they love on Facebook or X. A company like Amazon can recognize this demand for an emerging favorite on the double by using social listening. And the next thing you know, the can of bubbly delight is already on its e-commerce platform, so its customers get what they want in no time. This is a testament to the power of real-time insights driven by social listening. Now, let's talk vibes and how you can pick up on them right. And no, it's not through your spidey sense. It's through the science of AI. AI deciphers the mood of the digital room. Is the chatter positive, negative, or neutral? It's so accurate at figuring out sentiment that you might start wondering if it's psychic. Take Taco Bell, for example. It used sentiment analysis to figure out that its customers were complaining about its quesadillas not having enough filling, leaving the tortilla pockets dry. Once the brand got wind of this, it swiftly shot out emails to franchisees, reminding them to stick to the secret quesadilla recipe. This not only helped the brand understand customer sentiment better, but it also refined its marketing strategy based on the feedback. These are quite the inspiring stories of AI-powered innovation and brand success, wouldn't you say? Now, picture making one of your own come to life. The good news? You absolutely can, and it starts with choosing the right tool. Just like how a chef needs the best ingredients to achieve superior flavor, you need the right platform to whip up your social media success. A platform like Sprinklr, for instance, is a good example as its social listening tool provides 3 times the channel coverage that other players do. All in all, choose wisely. All right, folks, that's a wrap. Thanks for tuning in. Stay curious, stay social, and don't miss out on the next episode of our Success with AI in Social Media series, where we'll be unraveling the binary cogs of artificial intelligence some more.